I picked up this frame from Hobby Lobby. I found it in the clearance section. I paid maybe $3 from it. And I'm going to start by covering it with our Wise Owl Gray Primer. Our primer comes in gray, dark gray, clear, and white. Looking back, I wish I chose the white, but we're going to work with what I chose. And I'm just covering all the letters, and this has great coverage so that we're not going to see any of that as we move forward. Once covered and dried, I found this tea towel at just $1. It was for $1. It's really pretty with the rooster, and it says Farmer's Market. There's so many things you can do with tea towels. You can make a bag. You could do pillows. You guys have seen me do that. I'm going to start by removing some of the excess material. And this frame has that center raised panel, and that's where I'm going to be applying this. So you kind of want to make sure you don't really have a lot of fabric going over the edge of this raised panel. So I took a pencil, like a chalk pencil, and I'm just outlining the edge of this raised area, because as you cut your fabric, you kind of want to get pretty close to the exact size. Now I use my pinking shears. It just gives me a nice edge. There's a very good chance this is going to shrink a little bit, and because the edge is going to be exposed, it just kind of just gives it a finished look. This is kind of why I wish I went with the white over the gray, because this is probably going to shrink a little bit. You're going to see a little bit of the edge of the gray, but we're going to fix that. I'm not worrying about it. So I have some of my 1 hour enamel. I'm going to make sure everything's straight. And then I'm going to flap over half. I'm going to place my 1 hour enamel down. This is being used as a glue. You're going to lay that down. Then I'm going to do the other half. Very, very simple. And then you're going to continue as if this is tissue paper. I'm just kind of making sure that all the edges, fabric can tend to kind of go crooked on you. It can kind of shift. So I just want to make sure it went all the way to the edge. And then I'm going to do everything as I would as if I was decoupaging tissue paper. To put my saran wrap down. I'm going to use my brayer. It takes out all the wrinkles. And then I'm going to cover it with another coat of the 1 hour enamel. You want to hit it good. You want to make sure that, the fabric's going to suck up that enamel. So you just want to make sure you get a good coverage, and then you're going to allow it to dry. Very, very easy. Once dried, I just took some white paint because I didn't use the white primer, and I just scooted it around the edge so you didn't see that little bit of gray. Now, another tip when you're in Hobby Lobby, a lot of the seasonal things, this is a boss stitch, this is a stapler, but I grab a lot of the beaded garland at Hobby Lobby and I cut it in sections to use as hangers. So this boss stitch is a great stapler to have in your toolbox for crafting. And I'm just taking, I take the garland, I take a few beads off, and then I use the excess string and just staple it in the back of my projects. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.